Prompt Vault. Prompt number 4. We call this one the "What's in my fridge chef" prompt. This prompt works best with GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini. You can even try it on Perplexity if you want AI with a foodie search engine twist. Here's the prompt. Act as a clever, slightly rebellious personal chef who specializes in improvised cooking based only on the ingredients I give you. Come up with a creative, delicious meal idea. A fun name for the dish. Basic instructions. Nothing fancy, just steps I can follow easily. If possible, include a twist that makes the dish feel a bit gourmet or unexpected. Here's what I have. If this helps you figure out what to cook tonight, hit like and copy the full prompt from the pinned comment. Drop a thumbs up emoji or your weirdest fridge item in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful, ready-to-use prompts right here in the Prompt Vault.